What if Elon Musk stopped at rockets and electric cars and stepped directly into advanced weapons manufacturing? Picture this: railguns powered by Tesla battery technology, laser defense systems guided by SpaceX optics, and autonomous drone swarms running on AI from Tesla's self-driving systems. And all of it linked to Starlink's private global satellite network, faster than any military communication on Earth. Countries that can't match the US or China would line up instantly. Musk could sell them firepower that once took nations decades to develop. But here's the twist. Those weapons wouldn't just be hardware. They'd depend on his satellites, his software, his updates. That means in any conflict, somebody could literally pause a battlefield or restart it with a click. So the real question isn't, could Elon Musk build the weapons of the future? It's this: if he does, who really controls the war? If you found this useful, please hit like, follow, and subscribe. More good stuff coming.